using the for different ways
Yeah, absolutely. So I can absolutely take you through a few things. So we'll do a bit of an overview initially, and then we're going to go on to, like, so if you used an Apple Watch, or you've encountered an Apple Watch, then adjust the straps at the back first and the top. Yeah, you might want to loosen it up a little bit. If you want to do that, that's all you do. So yeah, lift it with that bit and then that's it. So do that back strap first, and you want it to be centered between your forehead and your cheeks. What to do now is I want you to hold your hands out in front of you.
Because with the guy, he's trying walking around and he's trying to
There you go. So, it's now. What I want you to do, do you see the album that says Great Shots? Yeah. Like a lady on a red sofa. Open that for me. There you go. Put that first image for me. So click the lady on the red couch. So to kind of get you used to moving about the Vision OS operating system and spatial computing in general, you're going to keep the phone. So, you probably noticed the room around you has gone dark, right?
What's he like?
So there you go. That was a video taken with the Apple Movement Pro itself in 3D with spatial audio, so you can record any memories that you've got and relive them. It's awesome, right? Now, if you have an iPhone,
Said he wants one of these, but it's like $3.5 grand.
You can also record spatial videos.
Not a chance.
So if you move to the next video,
Sure saving his pennies for that.
see one taken on a phone. You can put it anywhere, on the ceiling, on the floor, whatever, wherever you want. Okay, now that's off out the way, I'd like to show you an immersive environment. So, at the moment you've been in the Apple Store in pass-through mode. If you take your right hand, other hand, and rotate that digital crown clockwise for me. That's it, so keep spinning it, keep spinning it. Awesome. We are now in Bora Bora. So you've been transported across the waves to somewhere much sunnier. Now, if you hold your hand out in the top left, you're going to see a mountain icon. Yeah. And when you see that, you can click cinema. You're about to be transformed into your private cinema. Press play when you're ready.
It'll all be fine.
There you are. Welcome back to the Apple Store. How did you find that? Fun. Yes, absolutely. Anything different to what you expected? Anything?
Well, big lad, how did that go? Give me a review on the Apple Pro Vision.
Vision Pro, yeah.
Or Vision Pro, whatever it is.
It's weird.
He showed you a video at the end and then you were like glued to it, but here.
I see a dinosaur.
Okay, what? I thought it was funny the way your arm was just sitting there and you were just doing this. Would you want one? Would I get Santa to bring you one next year? No. See the price? $3.5 grand. But all honesty though, out of 10, what would you give it?
Solid like 8.
An 8? Is it worth the money? Yeah. Anything else though stood out? Any of the sort of features you want to explain to the Murani?
Well, you can go wherever you want basically.
You can what?
The environment. I was on the moon.
You were what?
I was on the moon.
Oh my god.
I was in like the Bahamas or something as well.
Well, great experience here today at the Trafford Centre in Manchester at the Apple Store. This, are we going to give the overall view a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs up. And for price, thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. Well, here, at least you had fun. That's the most important thing.
Yeah.